Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm Afrin, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you prevent your skin from getting suntan, and also if any case you get tan, how can you remove it quickly. So there's a few important tips which you have to be keep in your mind, and you will be rock your skin, you will be rock in summer. But practically guys, it is not possible to get avoiding suntan because we all expose our skin to sun. We all have complaint of darker skin specific part of our body, that is our hand, our feet, our neck, and our face skin as well. Why this part is most darker than the other part of our body? Because these part of our body is most exposed in some sun, and it's more likely contact to pollution. And it is not happening just in this summer, but it's been happens since our childhood. When we were in school, we were in college, it was happening since then. So for now, how can you lighten up your darker skin, and how can you prevent your skin from getting tanned? So there is some important things which you need to be keep in your mind. Number one is you have to be do treatment every day, your face, your skin treatment, because anyway you got exposed in sun every day, so you need to be treat your skin every day. Second thing is you need to be do any DIY, any home remedy every day. There's a lots of home remedy. Some of them are time taken, and most of them are not consuming time at all. You can find out that in my channel, it seems also. So there's a lots of which do not take a lot time. So if you will do home remedies every day for your skin, so what will happen is, if as soon as you treat your darker skin, it is easy to remove them easily. Once your tint got darkened, then it is not easy to remove them just in one time or two times. Then it will definitely take some time. So it's better to do treatment every day. Third thing is you can do same home remedies every day, or you can do different home remedies every day. Depends on your time, how much time you do have that time. Again, nighttime skin routine is really important. No matter what's the weather it is, it's every time important. So before going to bed, you have to be clean your face, wash your face, and apply almond oil, or because it's 100% effective on pigmentation and dark areas. Also, you can apply any cream which contains vitamin C, because again vitamin C is really effective for dark spots, dark areas. So nighttime skincare routine you should not skip at any cost. Now you might be applying sunscreen on your face, but might be you forget to apply sunscreen on your lips and your neck. Remember those areas because they are more affected by sun. You have to reapply sunscreen every 4 and 5 hours. You have to reapply sunscreen even in cloudy days. Don't rely on your sunscreen only. You should wear long sleeves jackets, you should wear scarves when you are going out, and you should wear big goggle on your eyes. Now last is, most of you not care about it. Also most of you are not focused about it, but it is most important, which is eat healthy. So you should have to eat healthy things, healthy fruits, greeny, leafy and seasonal fruits like carrot, tomatoes and oranges, limes, which prevents sun induced damage. So eat health. So guys, these all are important tips you need to be keep in your mind all the time. I hope guys you like this video, you enjoy this video is helpful for you guys, and if it does, then please press the like button. Also do subscribe this channel because I made videos like helpful and creative and informative. So yeah guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.